40. Hey you guys, and welcome back to FBK Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. So today I'm just coming to you guys with yet another wig that I've made. This one is going to be a 13x4 22-inch kinky curly wig. Now the hair that I'm using is from Amazon. It's from a company called Amela. I've used them a couple of times and I feel like they're pretty good. Not for super long term, but they get the job done. So this is going to come with 4 bundles, a 16-inch, an 18-inch, a 20-inch, and a 22-inch. Also in the box you're going to get a wig cap and eyelashes. So I started off just making sure that I doubled the wefts. I didn't double the wefts on the 18-inch bundle since that was going to be the bundle that's closest to my head, and I just wanted to make sure that the wig sits as flat as possible. So for the top of the wig I have single wefts, and then for the rest of it, to keep that fullness, I have double wefted. And at the end of the wefts each time, I'm just back stitching just so I can secure the tracks together, make sure they're not falling apart or anything like that. And here I'm just showing you guys what it looks like after I've stitched those wefts together. So for this unit, I used a different cap. I didn't use a mesh cap like the other one that I just made, and I honestly prefer this ventilated wig cap much better than the mesh cap. You don't have to deal with it shrinking or stretching or anything like that like you do with the mesh caps. So once you're done with it, you don't have to worry about anything shrinking up on you. And I do like the fact that it also comes with these adjustable straps, and it comes with spare combs so you can go in and sew those in if you want. So I also picked up this 13x4-inch kinky curly frontal. This one is going to be 16 inches, and the curl pattern of this is really pretty, you guys. The hair quality feels super nice. So first I just decided to go and bleach the knots on this. I feel like it looked pretty good out of the bag, but I just wanted to do a little bit more and make sure. I actually used 40 volume developer on this, and I left it on there for at least like 45 minutes. And after I rinsed the bleach off, I just went in with my Iso Plus neutralizing shampoo and conditioner just to get rid of any orangeness that may have been left behind. And after I rubbed that in, I just let it sit on there for like a good 20 to 30 minutes. After that, I just went and pinned the frontal in place on that ventilated wig cap just so that I can know exactly where I was sewing. And after I sewed it on the cap, these are my guidelines here. So this is what I'm going to be using to follow along on the sewing machine to just make sure that my wefts are spaced a good amount apart. My lines are 1 inch apart all throughout, and then at the top, the final 3 lines that are closest to where the frontal is going to be, those are 1/2 inch apart. So now I'm just showing you guys how it's looking, my progress as I'm sewing on the sewing machine. So after I finish sewing all the wefts on the ventilated wig cap, you're going to just see these threads that you have to actually go and undo. I'm using a seam cutter, which makes this process 10 times easier. It's a little bit painstaking, but as long as you've sewn it correctly, you're not going to deal with issues like that. So I'm just unraveling the threads, and you do this one by one for each row, and then that's going to make it so when you're all done peeling back that thread, you're just left with the plastic, and you'll peel that plastic away. After you peel the plastic away, you'll see what you normally see when it comes to just pretty much any wig, which is just that breathable, ventilated cap. And here I'm just showing you guys what it looks like on. And I didn't go and do too much styling and all that other stuff with the wig on, just because, like you guys know, I'm selling it. But if that's something you guys want me to do, just let me know. Leave it down below in the comments. I did go in and add 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, as well as an elastic band for that additional security. And here I'm just showing you some different styling options that you can do with this, because like I said, you have that 13x4 parting space, so you can definitely get your different styles going. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If there's any feedback you guys can give me, just let me know. If you want these videos to be done different, if you want more in-depth detail, if you want a different sort of install, just leave the comments down below and let me know. Bye guys.